Alright, I've been taking very long videos and I'm just now cutting them up to where they're showing you different things. So this video I'm about to show you is how to clean and lube and tighten the chain on a 2005 Yamaha R6. You want to say hi, buddy? Say hey, Cusco. Don't want to? All right, so I'm gonna show y'all that video. It's right there. I don't think I am gonna loosen it. All right, so what I gotta do, I don't know, might be easier. Let me just do it. Stop the whining. Just do it. Do it, Daddy. Just do it, Daddy. You gotta be kidding me. All right. I don't think I think I need a normal deck in it. Oh man, a normal one. It's right here. Inconspicuous. Should have done this when the wheel was off. Oh well, lessons learned. You know what? I might not even take this off. It's such a booger bear. And I can clean it right here. All right, I'm not taking it off. That's a booger bear. I should probably take it off, but I'm not. All right. Yep, that happened. Okay. Get this. Lay it down. There. All right. So here's what I got. Chain cleanup. Okay. Spray on there. I also have a chain cleaner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray back here. All right. Well, I can get on there and clean it. Okay. I'm going to try to spray it away from the wheel. Okay. Because I really don't want it on the wheel. There we go. And then what you do, can y'all see this? I think y'all can. Oh, yeah, that stuff smells good. I had an older guy tell me one time I was in Boston, and lead is something that makes buildings like green, I guess. And you have to use all these VOCs, cut out these VOCs and glue. And you had to use ash concrete. And the VOCs that we used, or the glue that we used with the ash concrete, wouldn't adhere. So we would have to, we just kept going until we found a glue that worked. And this old man said, you know, if you can't get high off the glue, it's not good glue. I'll never forget that. He was a hoot. He was a hoot. This takes a little bit of elbow grease. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I've been all the way around. Yeah, there we go. Then I'm gonna clean it real good. It's a dirty chain there, Big Daddy. Clean this sprocket really good. Yeah, rusty. Okay. Now, let's get the chain wax out. Lube this bad boy up. And then tighten it up. Remember, always go away from your wheel, because you do not want that stuff on your wheel. No, and then I hit it. Oh well. There you go. Nice and lubed. Can't believe I hit the wheel. Where'd I hit it? Right there. Wipe that off. Okay. All right. So now we need to tighten the chain. And I'll show y'all how to do that. We got to put weight back on the bike. Okay. And this is super loose. Yeah. Love it. All right. Hey, kidder. You can get fancy and use something like this. And measure it if you want. Okay. However you want to do it. Or there's these little marks. Or you can use the marks in here. I'll have to get a flashlight. But you can go by the marks. Now I'm going to have to go and get a... Hold on, kidder. These little marks right here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 marks in. This one here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. About 7 marks in. All right. So let me put this bad boy back down on the ground and go get the book and see how much I need to. Hey, kidder. I'll get you in a minute. Oh, yeah. I'm going to hit pause. I'll be back. All right. And it says 35 to 45 millimeters with no weight on the wheel. How come that's not zooming in? And we're at, come on. It's not zooming in. Dadgummit. It's like you cannot. Zooms in on that, fine. What are we? Do it like this. There we go. We're at 52? Almost 52. Goodness gracious, that was brutal. Okay. So we got to find, I think it's a number 10. Everything's a number 10. Number 10, watch it be a number 12. I don't have a number 12. I lost my number 12. We got a number 13. Let's see. Hold on, kidder. Every night the kidder goes in. Yep. Guess what it is? It's a number 12. Go figure. All right, let me go get number 2. Go get number 12. Hey, kidder. Well, hold on. I hope I got number 12. Number 15. Getting closer. Number 12. All right. Yay. I know. I got number 12. All right. So look, I want the wheel to go out this way. So I want to loosen this nut to push it push the wheel out. See, now it's tightening that chain. I hope I don't tighten it too much. All right, and then I'll loosen this. Very important. This one here, of course, is going to be easier to loosen. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're right at 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're right at 7. Whoa, that's tight. That's a little too tight. I think it's a little too tight. Yeah, we're right at. Let me show you here. I'm going to flip it up this way. We're at 30, 35. I'm going to err on the side of caution. All right, they said 35 to 45. So that is tight. So I'm going to go, I'd like for it to be, it was at 50. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to screw it in. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to try 3 turns. Okay. Hold on, kidder. Hold on. Let me get this right. There. Okay, that's right at 40. It's halfway between 35 and 45. So, all right. Wrong way. I think this is midway point right here. Yeah, that's good. It was about 43. All right. So now I need to know what I need to torque that down to. Okay. Wheel axle nut goes to 80 foot-pounds. Gotcha. 80 foot-pounds. 80 foot-pounds it is. Bring this bad boy back over here. Now, since I got all that straightened out, all right. Let me show you what I got here. Zoom out a little bit. No, this one. Oh yeah, it's a bad boy. I need, what did it say? 80 foot-pounds. One more. There we go. 80. All right. Is that right? Yeah, 80 foot-pounds. All right. It's the only thing I don't like about this stand. I cannot get that on there. So what I gotta do is I gotta lower it. I'm gonna tighten it up a little bit though before I lower it. There. All right. I got big boy wrenches. I used to work on big boy stuff. Man, lower this bad boy. There. Now. Just like that. All right. Now, the one thing you got to do with torque wrenches, in case y'all didn't know, is you got to always put them back to the lowest setting so you don't mess up the spring. I don't want to go too low. This one starts at 50, 45, and goes to, what is that? 250. Like I said, big boy. I was going to sell it, but I'm so glad I didn't. So glad.